Okay, first graders, Miss Jean is back with our phonics lesson. And so today we'll review words ending with Y. And do you guys remember how Y makes long E and long I sound? Both. I know it's very confusing, but the only way to find out whether that Y is being used as long E or long I, we'll just have to say it out loud. Yeah, we'll just have to pronounce the word and see if it has long E or long I sound. So what we're going to do here, we have 6 words that ends with Y, and we are going to check the box for the sound that the Y makes. Okay, so if the Y makes long E sound, check the green box. If the Y makes long I sound, check the red box. Okay, let's say the words together. Number 1, Sandy. Sandy. Yes, it has long E sound. Go ahead and check over here. Number 2, cry. 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 It has long I sound. Red box. Number 3, sky. Sky. Yeah, it has long I sound. Sky. So check the red box. Number 4, hilly. Hilly. E. It has long E sound. Go ahead and check the green box. Number 5, funny. Funny. It's not funny, right? It's funny. So yes, we hear long E sound. Number 6, spy. 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 Go ahead and check the red box. Okay. And moving on to number 7. So from 7 through 10, you will have to write the word that completes each sentence. Okay? And so number 7, and again, first grade, this is what we talked about last week. So what vowel pattern do you see in each word over here? Yes, we see IGH, T, right? We see IGH or IGHT. That's long I sound. Remember, we just reviewed during our Zoom session this morning. So IGH, when you see this vowel pattern, don't panic. Yeah, it looks very complicated to read, but just think of it as long I sound all together. They're group, they're set. So it's going to be br, I, t, bright. H, I, high. I, t, might. Flight, flight. Yeah, so IGH, they're grouped together. They make long I sound. Okay. Number 7. Let's fill in the blank with the word that completes the sentence. So let's read the sentence together. The sky is blank. The sky is, yeah, bright. Yeah, the sky is bright. Number 8, Miss Long, over here, Miss Long blank fly. Yeah, this is tricky, okay? We're gonna go with might. So here, if you put might here, that means we don't know. We don't know if Miss Long is really going to fly or no. Okay, she might fly, she might not fly. Okay, Miss Long might fly. This was a very hard word, you guys. So it means we don't know for sure. Okay, and if you say, if your friend is asking you, are you coming to my birthday party? And if you say, I might come, that means I don't know yet. I might come or I might not come. I don't know yet. Okay. So number 9, she is set for the flight. Yeah, so she's set for something. That means she's ready. She's ready to fly. She's ready for the flight. And number 10, she will fly High. Yes, high up the sky. She will fly high. Okay. When you're done, moving on to the second page. Let's read the word and draw a picture of the word. Okay, number 11. Ooh, we have I, long I pattern over here. N, I, t, night, night. Okay, you're going to draw a picture of night. You could maybe draw a moon and tree and maybe an owl because they are awake at night. You can draw an owl, so anything that you can think of when you think of night. Okay. Number 12, let's read the word together. Kite, kite. We have another long I pattern, yeah, with magic E. So magic E is making short I sound long. So it's kite, kite. You know what kite is, first grade, right? It's something that you make it fly in the sky. Kite. Yeah, so it could look it normally looks like a diamond. Yeah, diamond shape. So Miss Jin will show you a picture of kite. Here you go. We have so many different kites. Yeah. So perhaps you can draw something like this, or your kite could shape like an airplane or even an octopus. But normally a kite would look something like this. Okay. All right, that's a kite. And number 13 through 16. Wow, okay, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll get through this together. So we're going to make sentences here, right? The naming part is underlined. Circle the action verb that matches the naming part of the sentence. So first grade, in phonics class, we've been talking about sentences, yeah? And in a sentence, so a couple things that we always have to remember is that in a sentence, we always have naming part and verb part, okay? Action verb, naming and action verb, and period as our punctuation. And in the beginning of the sentence, we always need capital letter, big letter, yeah? So today we are going to circle the correct action verb that goes with the naming part. So here we have write and ride. Then Miss Jin, what is the difference? Okay, so as you can see here, 1 star and 2 stars, and these action verbs are about now, something that is happening now, not about yesterday. It's about now, okay? And when do we use ride and when do we use ride? Okay, very simple. If you have one single thing, okay? If you have one single thing in the naming part, you go with ride. You put S or ES, okay? But if you have more than one thing, so 2, 3, 4, 5 things, many things in the naming part, you go with ride. No S or ES. Does that make sense? It could still be a little bit tricky. Okay, so let's solve the questions together. Number 13, the sun. Look at the naming part. Do you only see one sun or many, many suns? One sun, right? Then, here, one sun, then we need S added to the action verb. The sun shine or the sun shines. Yes, because we only have one thing in the naming part, we need S or ES added to the action verb. So the sun shines. Okay. Number 14, the waves. In the naming part, we have S or ES, so we have S, waves, many, many waves. Yeah. So if there's more than one thing in the naming part, we do not have S or ES added to the action verb. Okay? So the waves splash or splashes. Splash. The waves splash. Okay, hope you're following with me. Number 15, Ken. This boy's name is Ken. Okay? Ken is playing over here, right? So Ken, play or plays. How many Ken do you see? Yeah, we only have one boy standing there, one Ken, right? So if there's only one thing or one person in the naming part, we need S or ES added to the action verb. So it's going to be can, right, plays. We need S because we only have one person in the naming part. Can, plays. Number 16, the pups sniff or sniffs. So the pups, baby dogs, puppies, we have, two pups over here, right? So if we have more than one thing in the naming part, do we add S or ES? No S or ES. So we're going to go with sniff. Yeah, sniffing is kind of like smelling. Yeah, sniff. So the pups sniff. Okay. Okay, first grade. Oh, wow. We started talking about grammar. And it could be a little tricky, but don't worry, we'll continue to practice. Okay, just remember, if you only have one thing in the naming part in the beginning of the sentence, then no S. I mean S, yes S, I'm sorry. Yes S or ES added to the action verb. If you have more than one thing in the naming part, then no S or ES added to the action verb. That's all you need to remember. Okay? So remember, we have naming part and action verb in each sentence. And each sentence ends with a period. And each sentence begins with a capital letter, big letter. Okay? So just remember that for today. And Miss Jin will be back with another lesson tomorrow. Have a great day, first grade.